It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 9th of August. I'm Michael Groff. A more active monsoon pattern in here for the upcoming week, with increasing chances of showers and thunderstorms off and on through the period. And temperatures will remain below average for the foreseeable future as well. Within this pattern, though, of course, there's still quite a bit of forecast uncertainty regarding exactly where, when, and how much precipitation there will be. All right, let's talk about it first. Yesterday, 107 degrees, the afternoon high, 89 was the morning low. The normal high now down to 105, the normal low 84. And taking a peek outside now here just after 7 a.m. We've got mostly cloudy sky across the valley, and it's 88 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 61, relative humidity 41%. Wind from the southeast at 13 miles per hour, and the barometer is rising. As we take a peek at the radar right now, scattered showers and thunderstorms going on across parts of southeast Arizona and well to the south of the Phoenix area. That's why we have those gusty southeasterly winds. Most of that should stay away from us. Can't rule out a sprinkle or a light shower around someplace here through the metro this morning, though. But better chances of rain will come in later this afternoon and overnight tonight. The upper air look shows you just why that is. We have an inverted trough moving into the region from the east and southeast, and that will add dynamic support and moisture for continued chances of showers and thunderstorms today through tomorrow, before that feature begins to move off to the west. And we have high pressure building in well to the north of Arizona, and that's going to continue this easterly flow for more monsoon activity for the rest of the week. Here's the watch warning map, and don't look now, but here we go again. Excessive heat watches from Northern California up into the Pacific Northwest. They just can't cut a break this summer. And we still have a lot of wildfires ongoing through the west. That's why we have all those air quality alerts and red flag warnings you see here through a good portion of the western continental United States. Elsewhere, heat advisories for a good portion of the plain states. Here's the convective outlook. We've got a slight risk of severe storms around Chicago, and another one up there to include places like Devil's Lake, Grand Forks, Fargo, and Bemidji, Minnesota. Here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix around or maybe just over an inch, with heavier totals over in the eastern mountains and along the southern border of our state, 2 to 3 inches possible down there. And of course, as we always tell you when showing this map, especially during the monsoon season, your amount will vary. Any one spot can get more than what's shown here. This represents an average across the area. But no doubt that we will see a more active pattern, and we'll talk about that in more detail as we dive into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run. This is valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at 500 millibars, or about 18,000 feet off the ground. Got a short wave moving through the northern Rockies and heading out toward the plain states. The ridge that's been suppressed for the last several days to the south and east of us, it's beginning to expand once more. And around the western periphery of that, we have that inverted trough moving into Arizona by this afternoon, tonight, and tomorrow. So down at the surface today, lots of clouds around this morning and scattered showers and thunderstorms over southeast Arizona. Most of those should stay away from us, at least through the daytime hours today, but still can't rule out an isolated storm or two making its way into the lower deserts, including Phoenix. And as a result, with all the clouds and added humidity around, temperatures should be much lower than we've seen in recent days. Highs upper 90s to maybe just barely scraping over the century mark. But by the time we get toward later this afternoon and tonight, those showers and thunderstorms that fire up along the rim today, they will make their way west-southwestward toward the lower desert, including Phoenix. This is our HRRR, the high-resolution rapid refresh model, at 9 o'clock tonight. And it's got those showers and storms making their way in here at that time. We've seen some different looks off of our high-res models. Exactly how this plays out is still a little bit uncertain, of course. But we're going to increase our rain chances to around 50% for tonight, and there is that possibility of some locally heavy rain, maybe some strong gusty winds with the heavier showers and storms as well. Overnight lows tonight should mainly be in the upper 70s to middle 80s, and then tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms in the morning, a slight chance of showers and storms continuing into the afternoon. Lots of clouds around, and with the added clouds, moisture, rain chances about. High temperatures only in the middle to upper 90s, so we'll continue with below average temps. And our high-resolution models do insist on this idea of showers and storms being prevalent in the morning hours. This is the 3-kilometer NAM at 7 o'clock. It's got lots of showers, storms, maybe even a few heavy showers around at that time. All right, now as we go to Wednesday, the inverted trough should start to move out of here, and I think we'll have a bit of a break in activity. Still a chance at some showers and storms again in the morning hours on Wednesday, and the rest of the day looks partly sunny with high temperatures again, barely making it to the century mark, if that. On Thursday, broad upper ridging continues well to the north of Arizona across the Pacific Northwest and the Intermountain region, and that puts us under a deep easterly flow. So, continuation of scattered afternoon and nighttime showers and storms. Humidity levels remain elevated. Temperatures just slightly below average here in Phoenix. Highs around 100 to 103. On Friday, here comes another inverted trough. So, rain chances on the increase. Scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms across the state. And high temperatures will once again head down to maybe below 100 degrees once more. We'll go with mid-90s to around 100. And then over the weekend, the weather pattern starts to change once more. Our broad upper ridge to the north begins to break down rather quickly in favor of troughing along the Pacific Northwest coast. Meanwhile, it looks rather unsettled around here, with an inverted trough continuing over Arizona for scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms on both Saturday and Sunday, and high temperatures upper 90s to near 100 on Saturday, mid to upper 90s on Sunday. All right, as we go out to next week, this is Monday the 16th, and we have a deep trough now over the Pacific Northwest with negative height anomalies extending all the way down into the greater Southwest, and a Rex block developing across eastern North America. And pay attention to that tropical system well off the Baja, far away from us. But take a look what happens here on Tuesday the 17th. That tropical system is now getting caught up in the western trough. And a deep southwesterly flow is in place here across Arizona, and typically that is a dry flow of air for us here in the summertime. But with that tropical system down there, maybe some moisture would get drawn in. Although in this configuration, much of that moisture may actually wind up staying to the west of us and streaming in across California and up into the Great Basin. But either way, temperatures would be likely below average if this works out. And then going out 10 days, this is Wednesday the 18th, and that tropical system, what's left of it, as it does start to fall apart, will get drawn up into southern and central California, and lots of moisture to the west of us. We would probably be dry, or at least relatively dry in this setup, but temperatures would remain below normal. This is kind of a fall-like look for us. As we take a look at rainfall for Phoenix over the next couple of weeks, coming off of the GFS ensemble, and the mean is just under 1.25 inches. You've got some outliers there that are well over 2 inches. There's one at 4.1 inches. I think we can safely discount that. Nevertheless, it looks like a more active period will be in here for at least the next several days. And temperatures off of the national blend of models, generally speaking, we should remain below average for the foreseeable future. And that is probably the best news of all, along with those increased rain chances. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions, they are always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there. Enjoy the rain where you can find it, and have yourselves a beautiful Monday.